Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Thursday, November 21st, 2019, brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Before we get started here, please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Everything we're going to talk about today is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. All right, let's take a look and see where we're at with the market today. So you can see the monthly chart on the SPX continues to look strong off of the prior month's hammer, although we are down on the day. Let's say the weekly chart is starting to become a bigger spinning top, and the daily chart now is showing an ominous inside day in the lower end of the range of yesterday's shadow. So this could have bearish implications, but let's see how we close today. As it stands, we are still above the macro geometric channel. We filled the gap here yesterday. There is a little gap below here too, so we could see if that ends up going into that range. Let's take a look at some of the price action today. So today Uber was on the radar, so certainly got a nice 15 orb up this morning off of the CEO buying some shares, so that's starting to look very interesting. Lyft actually got a lift too after on Uber. In fact, moved a little bit better than Uber did today, so just that type of sector type move. So nice sympathy move here with Lyft today. A couple other ones that we've had our eyes on. So Tesla was one that was a nice move this morning. Doesn't look like much off of the 15 orb, but it gave a great pullback for an excellent move up this morning that we used some of our techniques on. Other than that, not too much exciting going on the go-to list. We're seeing some bearishness, some weakness. One of the interesting ones that's out there is AMD. AMD had a weak move this morning, a little bit of a downgrade type situation this morning here. So 15 orb here, and then just broke down on that for a nice move to the downside. In addition to all that, basically the other news this morning that was pretty interesting is AMTD was announced that Charles Schwab is going to buy it out. So normally the place that's getting bought usually kind of chops around, but SCHW ended up gapping up on this news, so actually gave a quick move down, and it's holding its 15 orb lows right now. So other than that, a couple moves out of target today, just some quick moves out of yesterday's highs, but nothing huge, right? Just a couple quick scalps over those levels right there. And other than that, we're basically looking forward to Tesla's truck announcement tonight. So we'll see if some of this bullish behavior, if they end up selling that news later, but we'll see. It should be very, very interesting of how that event goes. So other than that, guys, I hope everybody has a great rest of your trading day. Looking forward to seeing you on the market recap later. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you stay in the game. And I'll talk to you soon.